loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a declutter with me. It's been a while. I like to do them seasonally now that fall is coming in. It's time to get rid of the clothes that I haven't been using in a very long time. So that is what I'm going to do with you guys today, and I know some of you guys like those kind of videos and I love to film them. They're just therapeutic for me. So I love to do that, so I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are excited to declutter with me, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so before we jump into the declutter part, I'm gonna be decluttering my dresser. That's where I'm gonna start first, and then my next video is gonna be decluttering my closet. I need to organize and declutter my closet very drastically because it looks like a hot mess in there. So I'm excited to do that next, but first we're gonna do my dressers. I'm gonna do 2 drawers today and I'm gonna declutter that with you. But I did want to mention that I am gonna be selling a few pieces of my Fashion Nova pieces on Poshmark. So I'm gonna leave my Poshmark right here so you guys can go ahead, follow me. If you guys are interested in any of my clothes, I will be listing them there, and I mean, they're gonna be like $15 or less. So definitely take advantage of that. I'm gonna show you a few pieces that I am gonna be putting on Poshmark. And one of them is this 2-piece set from Fashion Nova. So it's the pants. Oh my god, the thing fell. So I got the pants set, and then I also have the top, which comes with the little hoodie. And I'm telling you guys, it has a tag still. I just never got around to using it, and then I got pregnant, so I really can't use it now because I got my big old belly hanging out. So I got this 2-piece set, and this will be on Poshmark, so look out for that. So definitely go follow me. And then I also have this Fashion Nova, I don't know what they call this. I think this is like a romper type thing, but it's the long leg one. It's not like a half romper, like a short romper. Like, no, this is a long one. It's like a bodysuit type of romper. So I'm gonna be putting this on Poshmark, and then I'm also going to put this top right here from Fashion Nova. And then the last Fashion Nova thing that I am gonna be putting up is this one right here. Now this is a romper. It's super cute. You see it has the little tie detail here, and they're shorts, so it's super cute. I'm gonna be selling those, getting rid of it because I'm not using it right now, and I don't even think I'm gonna be using it anytime soon. So I want to get rid of them, give it to someone that needs it more than I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell those on Poshmark. So make sure to go follow me on Poshmark so you guys can check that out. And then I also want to talk about that I am gonna be donating some of my clothes to ThredUp. Now I've heard of ThredUp for a while now, but I really wasn't like interested in looking into it. But then I looked into it, and you can donate your clothes and you could get a percentage back from whatever you sell. So I'm definitely going to be selling stuff on there. I'm going to be selling more like Forever 21 stuff, because they require like some certain things, like certain brands. Those are the ones they want and they require because people look for those brands. So this is a Forever 21 dress that I wear for, when did I wear this? I wear this for our family pictures, and I love it. It's so comfortable. It snatches you, really beautiful, but I'm not going to be using it, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of these Express jeans right here. And then I'm also, what are these? These are Zara jeans. Guys, I bought these Zara jeans and they're cute and all, but then I started losing so much weight that they stopped fitting me. So I was like, let me not hold on to these. I'm just gonna get rid of them. So I'm gonna get rid of those, and then I'm also gonna get rid of these pants right here, these like pleather pants, and they're from Forever 21. And then they have the mesh right here. I wear these for my birthday, my 30th birthday, and they were cool and all, but the only thing I don't like about these pants like this is just that they always fall down. Like, if I don't have a thick body, I have an average body, so the pants just kept falling down. It was so annoying. I was like, no, I do not like these pants at all. They're just super annoying. Don't stay up, and it's just like, it's not my thing. So I have to get rid of those. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and donate those to ThredUp and see who buys my pieces. So definitely check out ThredUp. I will leave Poshmark and ThredUp down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to show you guys today. So let's go ahead and jump into this declutter with me.